Today in this video we are going to learn how any one contactor can be turned on by one push button, and by pressing the same push button contactor can be turned off. You generally saw everywhere that to operate the contactor two push buttons are required. One push button is used to start the contactor and other to stop the contactor. But if a condition comes in front of you that the contactor you have or the load you have need to be turned on by only one push button, and through same push button you have to turn off, for this what you need to do, let's understand. This contactor I have here, it is to be turned on and off through a single push button. If you use normal type of push button here, then in this condition you have to use a separate relay or contactor. But I don't want to use a separate relay here. I want that by this push button it can be turned on and off. To complete this work, you have to use a special type of push button. This push button here is same as this one. Only difference is that the element connected at backside of this push button, I am showing you. Let's remove this once. With this element here, you can see a mechanism is there. In this push button, only element is present to turn on and off. But in this push button, along with the element, a mechanism is also there. This part here. In this part, there is a mechanism for locking. I mean, when you press this push button, this mechanism will lock it. After this, when you press again, it will be unlocked. It means this push button is of locking type. So by using this push button only, we can turn on and off this contactor. To turn on this contactor through this push button, how wiring needs to be done, let's understand. For wiring, I am using a MCB here. In this MCB, I already connected the input power supply. In this MCB, at neutral terminal, connect one wire with this terminal. I connected this wire here. Take other end of the wire and at A2 terminal of contactor, connect this wire. After this, with the second terminal of MCB, connect another wire. This wire will be used for phase supply. Take other end of the wire and with the push button, you have to connect this wire. From inside of this box, I am passing this wire, and to this push button. At the back side of this push button, you can see NO element is connected and NC element is also connected. So you have to use NO element here. If you want, you can use NC element also, but working of this will change. So always use NO element. I connected this wire with the NO contact. Now with other terminal of this NO contact, we will connect one wire with this terminal. We have to take other end of this wire and to this contactor here. To turn on this contactor, this wire will be connected at A1 terminal of this contactor. Through single push button, to turn on and off this contactor, wiring is completed. Wiring part was simple. What you have to do, simply provide neutral power supply directly to contactor and connect this phase supply here with push button. From output terminal of push button, connect power supply with the contactor. Only this much connection you need to do. Now with this contactor, I am connecting a lamp so that if contactor is turned on, lamp also turn on. Okay, here I am doing the connection of this lamp. Now this MCB I have, I am turning on this MCB. When MCB is turned on, you can see contactor is still in off condition. Now to turn on this contactor, I am pressing this push button. When we press this push button a little, it will act as a normal push button. Like if I press this little, contactor turns on, and when I release this, contactor turns off. Now if I press this push button with force, then in this condition, this contactor will remain in on condition. It means push button is locked now. If I press this again, then you can see contactor is turned off. Look one more time. When I press this, contactor turn on, and by pressing same push button, contactor turn off. So you just saw that through a single push button how contactor is turned on and off. But in this condition, we have to use special type of push button. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give like on my video. If you are new to the channel, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.